Hello and welcome to yet another episode of The High Roads. Thank you so much for joining us today. Garade Dam is tucked away from the hustle and bustle of monsoon explorers. It is a perfect location to enjoy some peace and quiet away from the city. This was our second visit to Garade Dam, and this time we wanted to have an outdoor cookout on the banks. But we were particularly thrilled by how much more there was to discover at the backwaters. We discovered a series of cascading streams of water as we walked along the village dirt road, and a magnificent roaring waterfall virtually hidden away from sight.
Having burgers here, which is banana patties.
Well, it began as a good outdoor cooking experience, but then eventually a lot of things weren't in our favor. The wind was too strong. We tried to save the flame, but then that wouldn't happen. We had to hold an umbrella against it. It was drizzling and then eventually started to rain. It seemed as if it would start pouring. So we had to head with all our food into the car. So a couple of things to keep in mind while you try something like this. It would be a good idea to protect your cooking unit against all the elements. It could be sun or it could be wind. If it's raining, then make sure that you have a shelter. Second thing is,
if you can maybe have a tarp with some poles that can protect you from all weather.
yes, it would also be a great idea to have some backup food, because if things don't turn out to be in your favor, if you're going to be wet, probably not able to cook, then you might be hungry, cranky even. So it would be good to have some backup food. Yeah, that's me.
We had the tarp, but I forgot the poles to set it up. But all in all, was a tremendous experience.
Yeah, I think it's a great experience. We learned a lot of things, but yes, the burgers that we flipped today were, I think, the best burgers that we've ever eaten. What do you say?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
And how often do you get to cook in a
Yes.
surrounding like this? Isn't this amazing?
Absolutely. I think we're just absolutely in love with this place. It's just amazing. Just to be here, just to breathe clean air, be in a place where there are not too many people or no people at all. In our case, it's incredible.